Chapter 1 Morning Smiles. In the morning, Katie Woo's kitty, Sweet Pea, wakes her up with a kiss. "Your tongue is scratchy," Katie tells her cat. At breakfast, Katie loves making a milk mustache. "Your mustache is bigger and fuzzier than mine," says Katie's dad. "You are both very silly," says Katie's mom. 5 days a week, Katie, Pedro, and Jojo ride to school together on the bus. When it is sunny, they feel cheerful. When it's raining, they draw funny faces on the steam on the windows. "Let's be friends forever," Katie tells Pedro and Jojo. "Okay," her friends agree. They give each other a high five to seal the deal. At school, Katie likes passing out the drawing paper, playing math games, and writing her name over and over. Katie does not like hearing the chalk squeal on the blackboard. She is very happy when it stops. She is also happy when the bell rings for lunch. Chapter 2 Puddles and Parades. Little things make Katie Woo happy. Things like olives and buttons, new crayons, and her fingerprints. Big things make her happy too. Things like noisy drums and high piles of leaves and loud fireworks on the 4th of July. She loves to hear big crowds cheering when her team plays soccer. Falling down doesn't make Katie happy, but a silly Band-Aid makes her feel a little better. It is hard to be happy when it rains. Wearing her yellow boots and splashing in the puddles makes Katie feel better. Katie's mom does not like to splash in the puddles. Katie can't understand why not. Katie doesn't like watching parades until her dad lifts her onto his shoulders. Then she loves him. Then she loves them because she can see everything and wave at the people. Katie can't decide what makes her happier, tickling someone or being tickled. Spaghetti is the happiest food in the world, Katie tells her mom. Or maybe ice cream. Or maybe birthday cake. Katie can't decide. Bath time is fun when there are millions of bubbles and Katie can wear a crown of them on her head. Chapter 3 A Happy Ending. During the day, Katie feels happy when the sun is shining on the lake. At night, the moon shines into Katie's room. There are shooting stars to wish on. Spending all day with their family and friends always makes Katie feel great. It's also great when each day ends the same way it began. "Your kiss is scratchy, Sweet Pea," says Katie Woo, "but it makes me happy."